But do you think like technologies such as AI are a threat to what you do, or is it an asset?
Uh, I would, a threat, I would say no, because I mean it's definitely not there yet to be a threat.
Hmm.
If at all, people would be even more mindful of using it and come to illustrators a bit more, because by the time you get the AI to make something accurate for you, which you can like show without getting publicly shamed, is gonna be I mean, so threat, not yet. Definitely not yet.
I see. I see.
It scares me a little bit because I have also seen a lot more noise in the systems that we use. Like, for example, I used to rely on Google search. Even if you remember, like even during a webinar, I did like started my process with a Google search. But now, sometimes when you search for something, you get half AI generated and half real. And that is like a big problem because at the end of the day, it becomes harder for us to tell what is real and what is not. So, for scientific research purposes, at least, we cannot use Google anymore. And that is probably a bit more difficult, so these are like small places where, even for like small science journalism stuff, like the other day I saw a article on brain organoids where there was literally a brain on a dish, which is completely wrong. The
Hmm.
size of the brain was inaccurate. The brain had like arms or something weird like that. These are the kind of things that scare people away. And when not used correctly, then you get into a lot of trouble. And so I would say that I would be scared for science communication a little bit.
Hmm.
Um, okay, that being said, there are ways that you can use AI tools, at least in my industry, to actually help us out a little bit. Like, say, for example, making textures. You ask the AI to make like you a nice texture and you can use it for like 3D work or whatever. Or maybe like AI can make like an entire 3D scene from a prompt. And those are like ways you can probably speed things up. I haven't been able to move past the ethical conundrum of using AI yet. Like this whole thing of the foundation being stolen art from artists who are still trying to make a living.